This is one of Africa's weirdest aves, a bird of prey native to the savannas of Africa, strutting about with the head of an eagle, the legs of a stork, and a whole family of its own. In Sudan and South Africa, secretary bird is featured in the coat of arms. These birds are impressive hunters, especially of snakes. In South Africa, secretary birds are kept in captivity to keep rats and snakes at bay. Secretary bird's flight is like that of a plane. The bird will make a long run up first, before finally taking off.